Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where Realtek HD Audio Manager is not opening on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Search for Realtek Audio Console, go to App Settings in the right pane, wait till it loads, scroll down, select Terminate, then repair it, if and wait till you get a tick and then reset it. If these solutions help, well and good. If not, straight away uninstall it. We will reinstall it. Now, here's one thing I want you to know. A lot of people say that Realtek HD Audio Manager is not opening in Windows 11. The fact is that it doesn't even exist in their computer at the first place. You will have to search for Realtek Audio Console, and then you need to download it from the Microsoft Store. Okay. Okay, go to the Microsoft Store link and then click on view on store. It's not easy to find it because it doesn't have a good ranking. And then click on install. Make sure that it is from Realtek Semiconductor Corp. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.